Good evening, everyone. We're now into the next video where we are going to prepare roti. Roti is a bit of a different dough than paratha, which is on one of our previous videos. Paratha is a more gentle, more soft dough, but roti is a bit harder, and therefore we will not be adding so much water as with the paratha. So gently again, with this wrist movement, we're going to create this very round dough, then adding some more pressure and making sure it's all equally on all sides being prepared. Then adding some more wheat flour to make sure it doesn't stick to your wooden board. In the meantime, we have heated up this pan and we will now be adding our roti. You will not have to use any oil or butter. That will just it's not needed to create these rotis. So after a couple of seconds, you will flip it over to the other side, and then it will look like this. Again. So in the meantime, we have equally divided the dough into three bowls in total. We have flipped it over again using this utensil, and we add it onto this flame until it's fully puffed. Then we flip it over. It will only be a couple of seconds and until it is rested on the side. Moving on to the second one. So roll it gently between the palms of your hands, then add a bit of pressure with the fingers on both sides, add the wheat flour, and then you will be putting it in between your hands, making that same movement, adding some more pressure and some flour to make sure it doesn't stick to the board. And look at that, one great looking roti. Then again, we will be frying this one on this great pan without the use of any oil or butter. That is not necessary. We flip it over. Looks very good. Before you know it, it will look like this. Turning it over again. So this will be the last roti we're going to make. So watch this. How cool is that? It's puffing up all the way, and then in a couple of seconds we'll flip it over to the other side. And they are ready to eat. Enjoy!